Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Francine, aka Franny. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button below. Yes, you guys, and welcome to Franny's channel. Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in the IPSY bag for the month of May. May bag, yes, honey. Yes. If you want to see this video, stay tuned, relax. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. Stay tuned for this video. Yes. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna base this is the package that the IPSY bag comes in. It's the same as the previous one that I received last month of April. So it has the same package, the same color going on. Yeah, I kind of like the whole packaging as I stated in the previous video. If you haven't seen that previous video, go ahead and click that link somewhere I have up here. I think on the left, right, wherever on the screen. Okay, click that link and go ahead and watch that previous video. You're going to like that IPSY collection that I got last month. Okay, so we're about to open this package here and see what's up inside this baby. Yes. Let me show you guys what's in this package. Look at that. Bam. Hey. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is some glittery stuff going on right there. Like, you guys, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. The bag is amazing. I love this bag. Like, I also love the previous bag too that I received last month, but this one is basically a little bit more glittery, more shimmery. You know, if you like glitters and you like sparkly stuff, like this is very cute, you guys. And this is another collection to what I already have. Okay, this is the first product, you guys. The first product. Let me turn it this way. And this is the first product, you guys. So I might be wiping off my lipstick just in order to show you guys what's up. So let me see. Or maybe not. I'm not going to be doing try-on. This was not a video for try-ons. But let's see what happened. Buxom. I think you said Buxom. It's B-U-X-O-M. Buxom, something like that. Anyways, this is the first product. It's a lips glass thingy. Let me see if I could open it because it's mad tight. Alright, so I managed to open it. This is how it looks, you guys. And for the sake of the video, I'm going to put some in my lips. You guys see the difference? I was going to wipe my lipstick off, but I think this kind of give it a little bit more shine. I love it. I have to say the consistency of this is very thick and it smells really good. The flavor for this is, let me see what's the flavor. It says the shiny lip polish doesn't only look gorgeous on your skin tone, it's infused with vitamin A and E for a moisture fix and peptide complex to instantly plump your lips. I think this is plump enough. Alright, so we're gonna go to the next product. So let me find it in the bag. This is how it looks, you guys. Alright, so this is facial oil. And it's blended for all skin types. rose hip and avocado oil. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys, let's go, let me see. And this is how it looks. Yes, you guys, so that's how it looks. And it's very oily, very oily. I mean, it's oil, like duh. It's oil. This is how it looks. And it smells like natural ingredients, like a type of fruit, but it says with avocado, it's mixed with avocado and rose hip. Yeah, that's what it says here. Plum and nourish your skin. It also have vitamin E to help fight ache and blemishes. So that's really good. So that's a nice facial oil. It cleans. So if you're suffering from acne, or you know, your skin is very it's breaking out with, you know, pimples and stuff, I think this is pretty good. You could try this. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next. Mind you, it's 5 items, you guys. If I didn't say before, it's 5 items that comes in this bag every month, okay? Every single month. And if I didn't say also, I subscribe, and for a monthly subscription of $10, I believe it's $10. Yes, I keep forgetting because I have other subscriptions, things going on. Yeah, you know how that is. You know how that is, right? But I believe it's $10 a month that you pay to get your monthly bag. So if you want to sign up, go ahead and do so. I'm telling you, these are some nice way of getting to like get familiarized with different products and figure out from there, like if you want to buy the original size or not. You know, this is a good way of testing out products. So, and these are from very nice brands, very great brands, all different brands, okay? Not just one brand, all different brands. All right, so let us move on to the number 3 product. Number 3 is the blending brush. This is the brush that they had in the package, which should have been in the bag. I guess they probably forgot, and then they just probably put it in there, you know. So this is my brush, you guys. And this brush, I love this brush. I'm not even like judging from using the brush yet, but I love the way how it looks. First off, it looks pretty. Yes, I'll use that word, pretty, okay? So let me open it just to see how it is. All right, so I finally got it open.
Oh my gosh, oh my darling, Clementine. You were lost and now I found you. Now we're best friends forever, yeah.
Alright you guys, so this is my brush right here. It's filled with glitter right here. The way how they made it, it's like so glittery. Like look at that, like a disco ball right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then I love this right here. So far it's just by telling, it's pretty firm. It's pretty firm. It's soft, pretty firm. Nothing feels like it's gonna fall out anytime soon. So this brush, let me tell you guys about this brush and where it's from. Let me see here. It's the Slim, all right, it's the Slim's Glam SS57 blending brush. So it's from Slim's Glam. Here you guys, Slim's Glam. That's where it's from. It says created by YouTube beauty guru Stephanie Lewis. This brand of glam brushes makes applying eyeshadows easy and fun. And I love how it has like, OMG. See right here, if you look here, it has like 2 little dot thing right there. What do you call it again? I forgot. But anyways, that's what's up. Yes. The next product that we have is a coconut milk hand cream. Here we go. Hand cream. So it's pretty. Let me smell it. Open it for you guys. It comes sealed, so I have to literally open it from here. Consistency. Very thick. It's very thick. Smell really nice. A little bit about the hand cream. This is rich coconut scented hand cream. So it's coconut, you guys. Yes. Massage a pea-sized amount of this cream onto your hands, giving a little extra TLC to your cuticles. Yes. I could probably use this hand cream, like, you know, when you go do your nails at the salon or whatever, and they normally give you like a little bit of lotion to put on your hands. I could probably keep that in my purse and use my own hand cream. Like, yeah. All right, so next product, you guys. The next product is the IPSY by IPSY Endless Silky Eye Pen in Rose Glow. Sorry. This is how it looks. All right. So let me open it. Is the pen. This is how it looks. It looks like a brown little gold going on. Then it has like a green top right here. It's an eye pencil. I'm not even gonna try to use it on my eyes because I have my makeup on already, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. See, very nice. OMG, look at that, you guys. It's glittery. It's a glitter eye pencil. Look at that. I'm gonna show you guys again. Glitter, you guys. Glitter. Okay, you guys, so that's it for my May IPSY bag review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you're new to my channel, once again, hit that subscribe button and welcome to Franny's chat now. Yes, I hope this was very useful for some of you guys who are interested in purchasing some of these products, or you guys are interested in getting signed up for the IPSY Glam bag. Whichever one. Thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by. With that being said, see you guys on my other video. Yes, you guys. Have a great one. Bye.